We are delighted to offer you great recipes of your choice. To view more engaging videos like this, kindly subscribe to our channel. After each video, I would be thrilled to receive your responses to the questions I post in the comments section. Looking forward to your replies. Today we will discover how to create a delectable mini Kitkat cake. This yummy recipe will show you how to make an incredibly soft, chocolatey cake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, ½ cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, ½ cup granulated sugar, ½ cup unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 eggs, ½ cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 8 miniature Kitkat bars. Chopped instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a miniature cake pan or muffin tin. 2. In a medium bowl, mix together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. This is important to do before adding the wet ingredients, so that the dry ingredients are evenly distributed. The cocoa powder is what gives the cake its rich chocolate flavor, while the flour and baking powder help to give the cake structure. The baking soda helps to provide a little extra lift and a lighter texture. 3. In a separate large bowl, cream together the sugar and butter until light and fluffy. This step is important because it helps to incorporate air into the batter, which will make the cake light and fluffy. The sugar adds sweetness and helps to create a golden brown color on the outside of the cake. The butter also adds flavor and richness. 4. Beat in the eggs, one at a time. This step helps to further emulsify the batter and create a smooth texture. The eggs also add structure and moisture to the cake. 5. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients, alternating with the milk and vanilla extract. Adding the dry ingredients and liquid in stages helps to prevent overmixing and creates a more delicate texture. The milk and vanilla extract add moisture and flavor to the cake. Be sure to mix until just combined, as overmixing can lead to a tougher texture. 6. Fold in the chopped Kitkat bars. Gently fold the chopped Kitkat bars into the batter, being careful not to overmix. This will add a nice crunchy texture to the cake and a delicious chocolate flavor. 7. Pour the batter into the prepared miniature cake pan or muffin tin, filling each about 2/3 full. Be sure to not fill the cups too full, or the cakes will overflow and not cook properly. 8. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Keep an eye on the cakes as they bake, and if they start to get too brown on top, cover them with foil to prevent overbrowning. 9. Let the cakes cool for 10 minutes before removing them from the pan. This will prevent them from falling apart as you try to remove them. 10. Enjoy your delicious miniature Softest chocolate cake. This miniature chocolate cake recipe is a great option for those who want a small but delicious dessert. The recipe is easy to make, and the addition of the Kitkat bars gives it a nice chocolate crunch that is perfect for any chocolate lover. Whether you're hosting a party or simply looking for a sweet treat, this recipe is sure to please. Another great thing about this recipe is that it can be easily adapted to different dietary restrictions. For example, you can use almond milk instead of cow's milk if you are lactose intolerant, or you can use gluten-free flour if you are gluten intolerant. It is important to note that miniature cakes or cupcakes are often cooked faster than regular cakes or cupcakes, so you will have to adjust the cooking time accordingly. And it's always a good idea to check with a toothpick or skewer to make sure the cake. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.